The battle of the Double Uni Knot. Is the Double Uni Knot actually strong? Today, we are going to test it out against a slightly modified version. We'll run a test and solve it once and for all. We start with the Double Uni, tying two 40-pound leader lines together. Make a loop, then run the tag end through that loop about 5 times. Lubricate with water or saliva and slightly tighten the knot. Now, repeat the process with the other end of the line you're connecting to. Once well lubricated, pull both main lines. The 2 uni wraps will close up, forming a snug knot. Trim both tag ends, and using a lighter, mushroom the ends. But is that all to this knot? Is it actually strong enough? I'm going to teach you a technique with just one additional step, and you will have the strongest line-to-line connections called the Double Clean Uni Knot. You start the same way as a double uni, but here's the secret. After the first round of wraps, do not pull and close the wrap yet. Much like a risotto knot, unwind the loop back over itself to create neat wraps before finally securing the knots. Remember to lubricate before tightening them down. We are doing a line pull test. The lines you see here are tied with both knots. On the left is the standard double uni, while the one on the right is the double C uni knot. We are exerting gradual pressure, up to 25 kilograms. And let's see the outcome. It goes without saying, the Clean Uni is the champion. Remember to subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/@FishingKnotsFast for over 480 fishing tutorial videos. Thank you, and tight lines.